Hello, good afternoon guys. Share ko lang ang ating mga available units. So, ito meron tayong L300 FB 2017. Exceed siya. So this is super fresh inside and out. Newly acquired, fresh catch. And then meron tayong isang VX Navi 2016 model, automatic transmission, super fresh inside and out. All in down payment 100,000 pesos. Pasok tayo sa ating garahe kasi hindi na magkasya dito. So meron tayong 1995 Toyota Corolla GLI, super fresh inside and out. Meron tayong isang Mirage na 2017 GLX, super fresh inside and out. Ertiga 2018 model, automatic transmission, GL edition, napaka sariwa. Isang Hyundai Accent 2017 model, automatic transmission, super fresh inside and out. And itong linalatag ko lang na L300 2016 model, dual aircon, deluxe. Meron din tayong isang L300 van 1998 model. Yan, complete legal papers po yan. And ito Toyota Vios 2024 model, automatic E. So yan po ang ating available units. Thank you and goodbye.